my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions. The live price change occur in a harmony coin. What's the change occur in a harmony, what's the high, what's the low, and what is the current status of harmony in cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon for more new videos notification, for more new and urgent videos notification, which is very important for you. As you can see here on the screen, that is a live price predictions of the last 1 hour of the harmony coin. As you can see here, they are loading. So as you can see here, the change occur in a harmony coin in the last 1 hour is a negative. Oh my god, I never expected them from a harmony coin, as they are the changes are in negative 1.27% falls down a harmony coin in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, friends, in the last 1 hour the change is negative. Same like that, the high price is also falls down because they are falls down 0.147009 USD dollar is the high price of the harmony coin. As you can see here, the graph tells us that the continuously quick falls occur in a harmony coin, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions of the harmony coin. What's the price change goes in a harmony coin in the previous last 1 day, friends. So friends, as you can see now on the graph, the continuously gradually falls occur in a harmony coin. As you can see here, very bad falls occur in harmony coin at this time in the last 1 day, friends. I'm very sad to see this kind of changes. Now friends, let's see the last 1 day change occur in a harmony coin is negative 2.71% change occur in a harmony coin, and same like that, the high price of the harmony coin is 0.15238 USD dollar is the high price of harmony coin in the last 1 day, friends. The price change is a negative. The price high price is very less. That's not a high price because they fast down from a very big high price in the last 1 day, friends. According to the price prediction, my suggestion for all of a harmony coin holder is that to please hold your harmony coin with the last of this month, because you know also you are also in the low. So please don't sell it at this time. My suggestion that's only, and hold it to be patient and wait for the pumping, the explosion time of harmony coin. Make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.